Welcome back. This tutorial is on the Extend tool. In a previous tutorial, you learned about the Trim tool and found out that it works a little backwards. The Extend tool works in the same way. The Extend tool allows you to take an existing line, whether it's a straight line or a curve of some type, and extend it or make it longer so that it attaches to something else. The Trim tool is right under the Extend tool is right under the Trim tool. Mouse over it, say Extend. I click on the Extend tool. And again, it works kind of backwards. Instead of clicking on the line that you want to make longer, you click on the surface that you want it to attach to. So if I were, for instance, to take this line and want to connect it to this arc, I would select this arc first, then hit space, and then click the line that you want to extend. You can extend to arcs, you can extend to other lines. For instance, I will extend it to this line right here, this vertical line. So I take the same tool, extend. This time, I select the line I want to extend to, space, and then I click the line that I want to extend, and it will immediately attach to that. And I could do the same thing once again if I wanted to extend it even further out to this further arc. If you start with a line that's not going to intersect with a circle or another line on its current course, as you can see, this new line is not going to hit this arc, it's not going to hit this horizontal line, and it's not going to hit this arc. If I try to extend this line, it just won't work. So if I extend, and I try to extend it to this arc, and I hit this line, it doesn't do anything, because this line will never, if it continues on its same path, will never actually hit that arc. In a similar fashion, you can extend arcs. For instance, if I wanted this lower arc to extend to this line, I can use the Extend tool in much the same way. Extend. Now it needs me to pick the surface that I wish to extend to, in this case the line, space, and now it wants the object that I want to extend, the arc, and it will continue with the same radius to the point where it intersects this line. And I can do the same thing with this arc up here. Extend to this line, space, what do I want to extend? This arc, and that's the Extend tool.